If you're experiencing performance issues on your Windows 11 computer, these proven tips can help significantly enhance your system's speed and efficiency. Let's dive into the details. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Programs that start automatically with your system can slow down performance. Follow these steps to disable unnecessary startup apps. Right-click an empty space on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the left pane, click Startup Apps. Review the list of enabled apps and disable those you don't need by selecting the app and clicking Disable at the top. For example, disabling apps like Microsoft Teams, Spotify, and Xbox services, if not needed, can free up resources. Ensure you only disable apps you're certain are unnecessary. A simple restart or shutdown can resolve many performance issues. Running your computer continuously for 2 to 3 days can cause background processes and memory to bog down the system. To shut down or restart, click the Start menu on the taskbar. Select the power icon in the lower left corner. Choose Shutdown or Restart. This clears memory data and closes unnecessary background processes, ensuring smoother operation. Unused programs take up valuable space and system resources. To uninstall, open the Settings app by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or use the shortcut Windows key +I. Navigate to Apps, Installed Apps. Select programs you no longer need. Click the three-dot menu next to them and choose Uninstall. Repeat this process for all unnecessary software. Keeping your system and drivers updated ensures optimal performance. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install available updates. To update drivers, under Windows Update, select Advanced Options, Optional Updates. Check for driver updates, select the ones you need, and click Download and Install. Freeing up storage space can improve system performance, especially if your drive is more than 70% full. To remove temporary files, in Settings, go to System, Storage. Click Temporary Files. Select the files you want to remove and exclude files you wish to keep, such as those in the Downloads folder. Click Remove Files and confirm by selecting Continue. For systems with multiple graphics cards, assigning high-performance settings to specific programs can enhance performance. In Settings again, go to System, Display, and choose Graphics. Choose an app from the list or browse for one. Click Options and set it to High Performance. Click Save to confirm. Repeat for all apps that you feel could be optimized. On older or lower spec systems, visual features like shadows and animations can consume system resources. To disable them, in Settings, select Accessibility. Then choose Visual Effects. Turn off transparency effects and animation effects. This not only improves performance, but also extends battery life on laptops. Malware can severely impact system performance. To run a full system scan, open Windows Security by searching for it in the taskbar. Click Virus and Threat Protection and ensure definitions are up to date by selecting Protection Updates. Check for updates. Under Current Threats, click Scan Options and choose Full Scan. Click Scan Now to begin. This process can take some time, but will remove any malicious files affecting your computer. For gamers, enabling game mode improves performance by prioritizing resources. In Settings, go to Gaming Game Mode. Turn on Game Mode. This will disable non-essential background processes to free up resources for gaming. If all else fails, consider a factory reset to restore your system to its original state without losing personal files. In Settings, go to System, Recovery, Reset PC. Choose to either keep your files or remove everything, then follow the instructions. Implementing these tips can significantly improve your Windows 11 computer's performance. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.